Hey guys.
Welcome back to Tech Buddies.
Okay, so in one of our previous episodes, one of our viewers said we should try doing more non tech related videos since people can relate more or whatever. So we decided why not try one. So we decided to do a tier list. Let's just get into it, starting with Datsun. Okay, so
I think
where do you
Datsun
think?
isn't
Yeah.
there in India anymore, but they launched a couple of cars, I think, in the
I
budget
think they have
category,
launched
kind of.
only three cars, the Go, then the bigger
Yeah, two
version
or
of the
three.
Go,
Yeah,
and the
Go Plus or something like that.
and
Yeah,
then the
some two,
Ready
three
Go,
models are
the
there.
small one, right? The one which looked like was an Alto rival thing. So
Yeah, this is like more of a budget brand, like sub 5 lakh or something like that.
yeah, and I think they
And
had a
obviously they had
partnership
to
with,
leave.
yeah, Nissan or Renault. One of them they had a partnership with.
Nissan.
Yeah, so
Yes,
because all of
Nissan.
them are under the same brand that Renault owns all of them. So Datsun, I
Hmm.
think we can put in D tier because it's kind of a flop.
Yeah,
Because
that's why they had
I
to leave
barely
it.
even see their cars in India. So that next is Ford. Now Ford was there in India way up till 2021, and they have decent set of cars, not top of the line like
Yeah,
when it
but
comes to selling.
obviously Indian. No, it's not. Their cars are like not priced that good because like they're not obviously they had only like one factory in India, so they couldn't probably manufacture that many vehicles. So I think that's why their vehicles are overpriced probably.
But the EcoSport
And I
did do
think
well,
if you
right?
yeah, EcoSport did do well, but I think even their Aspire and all are popular among taxi drivers and stuff. So I think it'll be safe to put it in C or maybe even a B.
Now Hindustan
Hmm.
Motors they have had legendary cars. Now they don't make any cars, so I don't think so. You should even rank it. So I'm leaving it on D. Next is Kia.
Hmm.
Now Kia is
Kia
a
has been
very
doing really good.
yeah interesting thing
I'll put
because
A. I'll give it A.
Even I might give it A, but the thing is, like I was just going through Team DHP and stuff, and many people are saying that Kia is now what they're trying to do is they know that they have this market hype type thing because if they have
Hmm.
pretty good value for money cars. So what they make people do is they have like very good cars, so everyone jumps to purchase just like how everyone jumped to purchase the XUV 700, and then they keep
Yeah.
on delaying the day the car comes, so which hence leaves the
Uh-huh.
people
But
like so they have to pay the cancellation fees. They are paying like they are getting profit from the cancellation fees, what many people are saying. So that like
no, but the delays also can be genuine because of chip shortage and stuff. So I think we should give that benefit of doubt to Kia and put it in A.
But apart from that, also one more thing was there. Kia doesn't treat their customers very well, apparently. And even Faisal Khan
Hmm.
made a video saying that when he went to shoot video on in one Kia showroom, they were being extremely rude to him. So that, but I think
Oh.
B or A in between somewhere there. I'll keep it on A for now, but it went
Hmm.
down because of all those reviews that I've heard. Honda makes extremely good cars in like even though they sell less cars, I think in abroad and even in Japan they have
Huh.
really good models, but in India they launch
Yeah.
very less. Like if they release a model,
Because
they
they
release
know the market
yeah
and
then
they have a niche market.
yeah. So people who want to buy Honda generally know the brand Honda and they go for it, or they just like the city. Like
Yeah.
I know some people who find cities like upper class, middle class, and livings. It's middle class car only,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
city has that type of respect for it among people. So I think Honda is also.
No, you have a Honda, so you can judge better. And
I
you
feel
can,
Honda
I
is
think I'll
lesser
put it on
about.
B.
Yeah, it's lesser about this thing value for money. It's more about brand value and longevity with Honda
Yep.
because they are
Hmm.
extremely reliable cars, but they do not have the best features and stuff. City is definitely a good contender though. Now, I think we can
Hmm.
agree that Nissan is kind of D tier in India, except for the GTR. They don't have anything which is interesting, but they do have the
Yeah,
cars
but
which are like the cheapest
Nissan
taxi
Sunny
cars.
also sells little well.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
taxi.
Nissan Sun, but
So I
still
think
D
yeah,
where it
D
belongs.
tier is Nissan only. So then Renault. Honestly speaking, I'm not a big fan of Renault in
Renault,
India. They have failed a lot. But the Duster sells decently.
no,
or at least used
Duster
to.
sells a lot. Even Quid sells a lot.
Yeah, Quid also. Quid has
I
been quite
recently
a
bought a
success.
Quid.
You
It's
bought.
I mean, yeah, I bought a Quid recently.
Quid is kind of like
I think
Celerio competition, right?
6 lakh.
Hmm.
So, but honestly, I like its design more than Celerio, and even
Yeah, especially
I
the new
think,
one looks horrible. The old one was okay,
I
but
know.
the new one looks horrible. And actually,
Hmm.
the one before this generation, the like I don't know its name, that also had a really good design of Quid. And I think Quid has better
Yeah,
boot
yeah.
space also. So
And I think even the features wise, it's way better than Maruti cars.
so
So I
that
think
is
I'll
one
put it on
place
a
where
B.
Quid, yeah, it's kind of B tier. But apart from that, all the other models that I see Renault launching, but it does have a new one. I don't know, Kigur or something. I don't know what
This
it's
one,
called.
Kiger, yeah, that is
Yeah,
also I think selling pretty well.
yeah, I've seen
Not
it
as
around.
much as Quid and Duster, but
I
people
mean,
are buying those.
yeah, it has potential, but if you see the old models like Logan, Fluence, and all those cars are
Yeah,
like big
yeah,
flops. So I can see them
yeah.
going up. Now Chevrolet, we
Even
know.
now they have there's on this one SUV also, no, which is that Logi or something.
Yeah,
I think
Logi
that's
did.
also
Logi didn't do that well. I mean, among taxi people
that is
probably, but apart from that, I don't think so. That's the same thing that with
it's like
Honda. They have
Innova competition kind of.
no. Innova is way expensive compared to Logi. Logi is like I think you can get it for
Yeah.
sub 10 lakhs, and I don't think so. They sell Logi now.
No,
When it was there, I think
yeah,
12.
they sell.
But
It's still there.
oh real? I haven't seen anyone buy a new Logi. I just knew like
Yeah,
one
that's
person who owned a Logi. Apart from that, I've seen it as taxis. But Renault has potential to go to A tier because I think the Cruise was a good car. I mean, apart from that, I don't remember any other car. The Beat also sold decently, but I mean for Chevrolet. But I
Hmm.
think it is a D tier
Yeah,
only.
yeah,
Jeep. Now Jeep sells only one car, that is the Compass, but the Compass means it sells Wrangler and all, but the car that
they're
sells the
like
most is
nice.
the Compass, and the Compass sells even though it's overpriced, it sells because of the brand value. So I think that is what is
Hmm.
taking Jeep
And
ahead.
comfort.
And comfort, yeah. So I think Jeep is B tier or C tier because the Compass is a
I
decent
think
car. So
B.
I think B tier. Now MG is their A tier because they're first two, or I
Okay.
think I can even put it on Supreme
No,
or
yes.
S tier because their two new cars have been doing very well. That is one is that Hector, and I don't know the other one, the electric
Gloucester
vehicle.
and Hector.
No, they have an
Even the
electric
electric
vehicle
one is
now.
doing.
I don't know that
Yeah,
one.
it's some weird
Name.
name. Aster,
Aster,
Aster.
yeah.
Aster.
It's A or in for me it's between S and A. I'll keep it A
Yeah,
for
I'll
now
just put it on A.
because it is very similar to Kia. Um,
Yeah, actually. They launched as a new brand, they picked up quickly. And now, luckily, they've maintained themselves.
and at least Kia had that help of Hyundai and all because of being under the same
Yeah.
brand wing, so they knew the Indian market. Whereas MG just came out like as a new one,
Hmm.
so it's kind of props to that. Now, Fiat,
They
I
have
don't.
potential to go to Supreme.
Yeah, Fiat, I don't know. Do they even? I don't know if they make new
Like,
cars. Um,
no, they don't. When they were making, they
I
were
feel like
Supreme almost, I think.
they
They used to
didn't
make
sell
really
much,
good
but
cars.
the quality was really good. I feel like that. Hyundai can be supreme. It can be. It has the sales
Yeah,
and it has
can.
the uh,
We can put it on
features to back it
Supreme,
up.
but
Because Hyundai has been doing really well. Although I don't agree with their design choices around like the Neos and even the what's that new
yeah,
SUV?
some of
Uh,
their cars, the design is messed up, but apart from that, they're doing good.
but I do like that N line i10, i20 or whatever N line.
Yeah.
So that, but
But somehow I feel Hyundai should like make cars which are priced sub 6 lakh or
so I think we can keep it in Supreme because that
yeah,
is
Supreme is good.
it's reliable. Then I don't know what
Hmm.
this is. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Is it Infinity or
Even I don't know.
even I don't know what this is. I haven't seen it, so I'm
Skip
not
it.
saying. Isuzu. Now I know Isuzu is trying to make a comeback. I usually don't remember any of their models, but I know they're trying to release
Same.
more. So I think I can keep it on C tier without saying much. because I
No,
don't
but
know much.
usually what they launch is that pickup truck kind of thing. No? But their disadvantage is that in India people don't want pickup trucks. Like in America, this pickup truck culture is more. So I think it'll be safe to put it on a B.
Yeah. And now Mahindra. Now I think I can put Mahindra and Supreme right
A.
now. No,
Supreme.
Supreme, because they have been doing like really,
These,
really well. Because XUV
yeah,
300, I didn't like the design, but it's apparently selling a
but
lot.
sold so well.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
selling a lot, and even XUV 700, people are getting like booking dates for like after
1
few
year waiting.
year
Yeah,
and all. Yeah, so and even the features are there. Their design is also improving a lot.
yeah,
It's
they've
also
changed up a lot.
same price 10 years back. So if they are able to maintain that type of margins and all, still I think it deserves to be. And even
That's pretty.
safety is not compromised, so that.
Yeah.
Now I'm leaving this in the Maruti Suzuki to the end because it's the most controversial take. So Mitsubishi, they don't. I think you can get a Pajero now also and an Outlander, I think, but it's all imported. So,
Yeah, I think even in. That's it.
but when the Lancer would have been there, I would have given it a B. But now I think I'll leave it
I
at a
would have
B.
given it a C if the Lancer was there, but no.
Even Toyota
Toyota, I
is.
give it an A.
Yeah, even
I give it
Toyota,
an A
I'd give it an
because
A. But I could have given it a Supreme, but because they sell rebadged versions of Maruti vehicles, now I think it's an A.
yeah, they
Because
started doing that.
I would say Toyota has potential to go Supreme if they focus on like not rebadging cars and introducing their own cars, because Toyota has really good ones. Etios was decent. Then the
Yeah,
Yaris was very good,
that
but it was
sold
a
a
bit
lot for
overpriced.
cabs.
Yeah, but
Meteor sold a lot for cabs.
but Yaris was a bit overpriced. If they reduce the price a bit of
Yeah,
Yaris, I
Yaris
think.
was their flop one.
Yeah, but Yaris had the interior was really, really good. So I think Toyota has lots of capability in India. Now Skoda, I think Skoda is doing incredibly well right
Skoda
now.
is such a niche.
I think it should be in Supreme right
market,
now
but
because
I give it a
Slavia is
B,
extremely
honestly.
good. Okay, then I think we should settle on E because Slavia is really, really good. I like the design a lot,
No, but
and
their pricing is really off.
yeah, pricing is off, but I think people are willing to pay that premium right now because if you see their cars also doing well. I don't know the name of the car, but their SUV, uh, it's same platform as Taigun, so that is doing pretty well. So yeah,
Just
so
come back.
I think Tata needs to be supreme right now. They're doing extremely well.
Easily. I know, right?
Like
They've changed so much.
if you just compare to a few years back when they had this Zest and all, I don't think so
Yeah,
anyone would have
Zest,
wanted to buy
Indica and stuff. From
Zest,
there
Bolt,
to
Indica, and Hexa is also a fail. Now to Safari and Harrier and Nexon,
Safari, Harrier, Nexon, then even I think
Tiago
Punch isn't
EV
doing
is
that
also
well,
there,
but
but their SUVs are the ones
yeah,
that are
there
doing well.
even
Nexon
Nexon
EV,
EV is doing really good.
like
Like EVs, I think Tata is right now dominating the EV market in India.
yeah, so it's a huge jump from being to like in between C tier to D tier to Supreme. Like they have had a huge jump.
It's like really good.
And no compromises, you get decent amount of features,
Yeah, nothing.
and also safety is top grade, so I think it deserves a
Top
Supreme.
safety, everything they get 5-star.
That for Tata now. And now Volkswagen is, I think it might reach A tier now. It was between, it was C
But I
tier
think it's B.
because
Now it's B.
because of the Amio and stuff that didn't sell well, which was supposed to be the bridging gap between the Polo and the Vento.
I think the only cars which they sell the most is Polo, and I think now I've seen some of their new SUV, the
Taigun.
Taycan, and even one more is there. I think they've started
Tiguan.
selling those a bit.
Tiguan and Taigun.
Tiguan and there's some of.
And
similar
I've
names.
seen Polo people be very, very like attached to Polo, so that brand value is also there. So I think it's between B to A tier because their cars are like,
I keep it on B.
I might give it an A, but we'll keep it on B for now because I think they have more potential with their Vento and stuff, and I think they should give an upgrade because Polo is starting to show its age,
Yeah.
especially in the interior. That now this is the most controversial. If it was a few years back, I might have given it a supreme tier because
But
uh,
now I'll give it a C.
yeah, same. I might give it a B, but now I think I'm inclining towards a C. Few years back, as in probably
Their
10 years
design is
back,
trash.
yeah, their
Their
design is like
design is trash nowadays.
getting worse day by day, and safety is also bad. They have upped their infotainment system a bit, but it's still not good enough, and they're launching way too many
I think
models. It's confusing.
the only good cars right now are Swift, Ignis, Baleno, and yep, only these three I find like
I think the
okay-ish
Ciaz
compared
is
to the others.
okay at best, but I think the S Cross has potential because I see
S-Cross
S
was
Cross
good.
design also looks pretty good. So I think safety is where, because of them compromising on safety, they are coming to C tier. If they weren't doing that, probably could be A tier. And if they
No,
didn't launch
probably
the
B tier.
Espresso and the new Celerio, because
Yeah,
that one's
maybe.
design is horrible. So I think
No,
that's it.
they launch a lot of cars in the budget, but
Yeah,
they
and it's
have some
kind of
design and
like
safety.
become confusing now because there's the Wagonar, there's the Swift, there's the Celerio,
Hmm.
Espresso, all
There's
sub
Ignis,
10 lakh.
there's
Yeah, all
everything.
Ignis, no, but I think Ignis is a bit more expensive. But all five cars are sub 10 lakh, so you'll be uh, thinking
Confused
why
as
they
well.
still do it. And I still think they sell the Omni or the Echo, one of them they still sell. I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah. They sell
even,
Echo.
yeah, and that car isn't safe at all. So
I
that's
know.
where they
And
are.
these school van drivers and all use it. I don't.
Yeah, so I think that's where Maruti Suzuki as a brand is coming down. So I think that's it for this, the current Indian car brand market. So hope you like this video, guys. If you want us to make more videos like this, don't forget to comment
You
down
can,
below. And
yeah, you can suggest the topics. We can make tier lists on them.
yeah, so I had fun making this one. So if you have more topics
That's
where
it.
you think we know about stuff like about things like this, so where you think we can rate it, then yeah, we're gonna make the videos because we have no problem making the videos. So thank you for watching, guys.